ఆ,
అక్కడ స్కిప్ పార్టీ ఉంటాయి.
అవునా?
కర్ప బర్త్డేలో 7 ఉంటాయి అలా.
ఓకే.
Elsa birthday. So put it like this, your feet. Then put it in the air and skip.
వావ్.
But this comes to my legs.
ఓకే, ట్రై.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump.
It's okay, try it again.
This trick is nice to do. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
This trick is a normal. See this time? I can do.
అలా పడిపోవాలా?
Hold it. You can take a water ball station and shake it. So like that. Okay, everyone. I'm gonna put it in the air after you're done
Okay.
with these toys from Kirpa birthday. We forgot for the birthday balloon.
ఇప్పుడు బర్త్డే బెలూన్ ఎందుకు స్కిప్పింగ్ లో? దా
Skipping the birthday balloon
తీసుకోవాలా అలా?
So my mommy can have this.
Okay.
See is good. Okay. So the skipping rope says the name up there. Time up, go back home, go to sleep.
Okay.
Okay? Says so many times with this, then dance with the balloons.
Okay.
Okay? 1, 2, 3. Skip. So put it in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. Skip. Skip. Mommy, can I skip? Mommy, can I skip?
Yes, you can.
1, 2, skip. This is only done.
Is it done?
Yep.
నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
The party start. First you have to put the mouth on it, then blow it.
వావ్, భలే వచ్చిందే.
That one,
ట్రిక్ భలే చేసావే.
blowing. Now
నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్?
with the bubble wrap.
బబుల్స్?
Yep. First you have to take out the
బబుల్స్ ఇప్పుడు వద్దులే నాన్న ఇంట్లో.
You want to take off this paper.
పేపర్ తీయకూడదు, అక్కడ పెట్టేసేయి.
Whoops. Take out the lid and don't open this cover. So it'd be dangerous. The bubble's going to be pop. I'll get to that balloon popped.
Oh.
And it's going to get burned. Inside this barrier, so blow it. And this is side of my water bottle.
Okay.
So, ready to shake it, I can show you. First, put it in the air, shake. See that? See that?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. See that? Now the ball.
వాటి ఆ బాల్ ఏంటి? ఏముంది ఆ బాల్ మీద?
Mickey only.
మిక్కీనా? మినియా?
Minnie. Okay, you ready to throw this? You should throw this. This is Honey Lemon's ball rack.
Oh.
It said put this sticker on it. It's Minnie.
Okay.
That's Honey Lemon dress. You can do this with this. Ready?
Okay.
It's squishy, so this over here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Boom. See that? Okay. Now it's next to the teeth. Okay?
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
He's gonna got a hole on his mouth. Listen. I'm gonna follow her. Then 1, 2, 3.
ఏమంటుంది డక్?
Quack, 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 quack. See that?
ఓ
See that? Now let's get started with these. Yay!
Yay!
Okay. So first is the water bottle. Water bottle means it's a Hello Kitty. Just pretending this is a water, so it's a bubbles. So close your eyes, please, everyone.
కళ్ళు మూసుకో అంట.
Drink. Okay, I'm going to drink this water.
No, it's not water. Don't drink.
Just pretending. Just letting that. No. Okay, open your eyes.
పెద్దగా చెప్పు మరి ఓపెన్ చేయమని.
Open your eyes. The water is gone.
ఓ ట్రిక్ చేసావా?
Next is the skipping rope. This is the easy one.
అది ఈజీయా అన్నిటికన్నా?
Yep, this is the easy one. So these strips come out, and these holes. See this? Just to go. This you can also do this. Just go like this. Oh, the skipping rope is also you can do something like this. Then put your head in and twist right.
వావ్ భలే తీసావే.
Then I guess so you would put it in the air. And see how I can skip. 1, 2, 3. Boom.
వావ్.
Not that. I was saying what this skip means. This is a learner skip. Everybody can do in Alaska. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
ఓకే సే బాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్.
Not done. I got more.
ఇంకా ఏంటి?
Now the second is the trumpet time. Actually,
అది అయిపోయిందమ్మా.
put your mouth on it. Then blow it. Okay, there'll be an animal. Don't just say ladies and gentlemen, you okay? I'm going to turn that to you. Okay? Then there's the say, animal wearing costume is Neha.
ఏం చెప్పాలి?
There's the say, Neha wearing this is Neha.
దా.
Not here.
Hello everyone. This is today Neha is going to show some tricks. Come on Neha. This is Neha.
No, not that. An animal named Neha is an elephant.
ఏందో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు హనీ.
You want to say that?
Okay, this animal name is elephant. Okay?
Neha.
With Neha. Da.
My name is Neha. See, she's going to do tricks.
Okay, she's going to show tricks now. Start.
Nothing more.
Start.
See more.
ఇంకేం చెప్పాలి?
She loves to, she loves to, she loves to, she loves to trunk her trunk and she likes to do that.
Oh, she's going to show her trunk open very long and then short. Wow.
Sound what's in me.
Sound వచ్చిందా?